quick. Alright.
Got some lunch.
Alright, check it. So I'm thinking like this, right? Down one bone. Right, you walking down one bone. Walk with me. When I come. Alright, this is a role play. Everybody want to do my tape shit. Nah, it's all good. You ready to do some money? Oh. That's cool. Okay, I can work with that 4K. Alright, cut. Alright, you see him coming out. Cause I'm gonna start here, Tan. Okay, well, camera's rolling. And then an action, he points, you get out of the car. And action. Watch out, 4K, you're the shot. Go. Watch out, 4K. Turn around, 3, heel. You kind of pull back. And cut. That was cool. Now hold on.
Last one is all the way down, Bank of America. That's when you get chased at.
Oh, we chased?
I mean, you know.
Well, I got a badge and I can turn it around, make it black. I got a badge and a gun. I can fuck around. He gets banged up at the last one.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Very bad day, the start of the day. But then when I see 4K, I started to smile. I was always smiling a little bit because of you, but
It was another successful shoot. Street heat, Tanner, we'll see, 4K, don't shrink that screen.
that's all we needed. That's all we needed. All right, big boy.
Checkmate, checkmate. Until the teller set date. We never care about the next play. We going in, let the rest wait.